Today we as the Mothers Movement, I am Shanuka Ilangasekara, chairperson of the Mothers Movement, and we have gathered here from all the 9 provinces. We have gathered here from all the 9 provinces, and here we are to state to the President Donald Trump that we honor him. We want to welcome him as the 47th President of America, and we are here to state, President Trump, we honor you for your decision to just accept 2 genders. We are here to state that the IMF and the World Bank and the International Monetary Fund have implicit and explicit preconditions to Sri Lanka to legitimize the LGBTQ agenda, the DEI disaster, and the woke virus. We stand with you as you take a decision to reverse it in America. And we want to say to President Donald Trump, please, using the taxpayer money of America, these evils are being pressed and forced upon us Sri Lankans. And as mothers, as fathers, we are here as families. We are the majority of the country. Our country is a conservative country, and there cannot be any evil, wild agenda being enforced on us in our economically vulnerable, poverty-stricken state. Today, we see that USAID, IMF, and the World Bank have their implicit conditions, and they roll out funds to educate, to promote this amongst academics, schools, universities, and we said no, we will not allow. Here we have 5 million. We represent 5 million mothers across the country. And with us are our families. We are the majority of this country, and a slim minority in their crooked ways by no means can overthrow the rights of the majority. So we are here to state thank you, President Trump, for defending the rights of the biological woman that today is challenged by bills like the Women's Empowerment Bill, the gender equality. This is actually doing wrong. It's disempowering women, biological mothers. It's breaking down our families. No funding could be given. No international drug mafia can be used to render infertile our children, to castrate, to surgically impair our children and keep them drugged for life. So we are respecting you, and we want to honor you in your stand to reverse this global plague. And we want to say stand with the majority of our nation and defend the Sri Lankan child and family. Thank you.